You've been wondering, haven't you? Can U.S. customers really use Uphold? It's a question that pops up a lot, especially as more and more people explore the world of digital assets and cross-border transactions. With so many platforms out there, each with its own set of rules and restrictions, it's easy to get confused about what's accessible depending on where you live. For a while now, Uphold has been a popular choice for many due to its diverse range of supported assets, from cryptocurrencies and precious metals to traditional currencies and even equities. Its promise of a one-stop shop for your digital finance needs is certainly appealing. But then you hear whispers, or maybe you've encountered a restriction yourself, and the doubt creeps in, is this platform truly available for everyone in the United States, or are there limitations I need to be aware of? The short answer, to cut right to the chase, is yes, U.S. customers can use Uphold. However, and this is where the context becomes crucial, it's not a blanket yes without any nuances. Like many financial platforms operating in a highly regulated environment, Uphold must adhere to specific laws and regulations that can vary significantly from state to state within the U.S. This is a critical point that often gets overlooked, leading to frustration for users who might find certain features or even the platform itself unavailable in their particular location. So, while Uphold generally serves U.S. customers, the extent of that service can depend on your specific state of residence. For instance, some states have stricter licensing requirements for cryptocurrency exchanges, which might impact the availability of certain crypto trading pairs or even the ability to open an account in that state. This isn't unique to Uphold, it's a common challenge faced by many fintech companies navigating the patchwork of U.S. financial regulations. Another important aspect to consider is the Know Your Customer, KYC, and Anti-Money Laundering, AML, regulations. Uphold, like all legitimate financial institutions, is legally obligated to verify the identity of its users. This means that even if you're in a state where Uphold operates fully, you'll still need to complete their verification process, which typically involves providing personal information and sometimes identity documents. This is a standard procedure designed to prevent fraud and illicit financial activities, and it applies to all U.S. customers. Furthermore, it's worth noting that while Uphold supports a wide array of assets, the availability of all these assets might not be universal for every U.S. customer. Regulatory clarity around certain newer or more niche digital assets is still evolving, and platforms often err on the side of caution to remain compliant. So, while you might see a list of hundreds of assets on Uphold's global site, some of them might not be accessible for trading or holding if you're a U.S. customer due to specific state or federal regulations. The best way to confirm Uphold's availability and the full scope of its services in your specific U.S. state is to visit their official website and check their supported jurisdictions or their FAQ section. They usually have a clear breakdown of where their services are available and any limitations that might apply. Don't rely on outdated information or anecdotal evidence. Always go to the source for the most accurate and up-to-date details. It's a proactive step that can save you a lot of time and potential headaches. Understanding these intricacies is key to a smooth experience. Uphold is a powerful tool for managing a diverse portfolio of assets, and for the vast majority of U.S. customers, it's a viable option. Just be sure to do your due diligence and confirm the specifics for your location. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.